And you literally just got her, huh? Oh, I'm Dr. Rory. It's nice to meet you. Wow, she's tiny. Oh my goodness. You are tiny. And she's 6 weeks old, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Where'd you get her?
Well, my girl, a girl named Shanice was selling her puppies.
Oh, okay. Okay. And she's a Yorkie poo, is that right?
That's what I want to ask you. Is she really full? That's what she told me. I don't really know about dogs.
1 pound 6 ounces. She is so tiny.
Is
So
she really?
the thing about it is with these little dogs, they're 2 different breeds that are mixed together, that's what a Yorkie poo is. It's a Yorkie and a poodle mixed together. So they express their genes a little bit differently. So I can believe that she is a Yorkie
Sure,
poo.
because you know how some people just say things, honey.
Yeah, I
So
mean,
she is?
she definitely looks like she could be. Like I said, she's got some little curly type hair on her feet here that would potentially be the poodle.
Okay.
And then the little wiry hair can come from the Yorkie. So.
Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely believable that she
Okay,
would
so
be a
she's telling the
Yorkie
truth.
poo. Yeah, I think she is.
Okay.
And she's very tiny too. Oh, tiny.
I'm gonna have, she gonna sleep in my room. She gonna sleep in my bed. And I was gonna ask her, like, how often do I supposed to feed her? How much is she supposed to eat? I don't know.
So right now, I would try to feed her at least 3 times a day because
How
she's
much? A whole lot?
she's very little. She's not even 1.5 pounds. So we're gonna send home a sample bag of the puppy food today, and I would say probably
Cause I feed my dog. I have a Shih Tzu, and I told her he been missing. He want to be hard-headed, be grown, and took off and
oh no.
And I just feed him like a cupful. When I feed my dog, I have a Shih Tzu.
So probably try to start with like 1/4 of a cup 3 times a day.
Okay.
She may not even. I mean, she's very tiny, so her stomach volume is going to be very little. So she may not even eat all that you feed her. But that's why she needs small, frequent meals. So if you could do 4 times a day, that would be even better right now.
Okay. Do I supposed to like? She did good.
She did really well. Well, she may be a little sore this afternoon. What we'll do is get you some baby aspirin that you can give her. I don't want to do
Put it right back in my
All right. Give us a few minutes. We're going to set this fecal sample up, and then Tyra will be right back.
Hey, buddy. What are you saying, little man? Happy? Friendly, huh? Doing good?
Yeah, you got
Yeah.
it. Alright.
Yeah. So anything in particular you want me to check today?
Oh, not as what you said.
Yeah. How's the house train going?
Oh yeah, you know doing
Pretty smart. Long-legged dude. He's gonna be big. He's 22 pounds. Yeah. He was only 10 last time. Wow.
Glad it did.
He's growing. What kind of food is he eating?
Give him the gravy train,
Yeah.
on the can, mixed up with the pedigree.
Mm-hmm. He really probably needs a puppy food, and
Yeah,
maybe.
Yeah, the pedigrees are puppy.
Okay, good. Did you see his parents? Were they real big?
I didn't see them, but I couldn't really tell which dog it was because they had a whole lot of them in the house.
Yeah. So he's got some big feet. You might need the large breed formula. There's a puppy food and there's a large breed formula. It's made for dogs that are going to be big and tall and put a lot of energy into their bone growth. That's probably best for him. We want him to grow. See these swollen parts of the ends of his bones. All that growing is happening right at those joints. And if he grows too fast, then the cartilage won't form in the joints properly. We want him to grow slowly over to a little bit more than a year when he's finished, and that way he'll be healthier. So sounds good. Good.
In his side, but he just like to lay by the heel.
Yeah.
And come on and he just get out
Well,
the
he's
floor.
perfect. That's the kind of dog I need. couch when I get home. Maybe someone to do that with me.
Then when it cut old, it'll boil. and
Yeah.
crash. So you turn it back on.
So we're gonna give them this treat. This has the general dewormerage treats for hookworms and roundworms, and whipworms and tapeworms. These are the most common ones we see in puppies, so we always treat them twice with this. There, he's the poster child. How to give a dog a pill. It's that easy, huh? Then we're gonna give him his distemper parvo vaccine. Put these down here. You look at that. I'll come around behind you. Give you a little pinch on the shoulder. Uh-oh. We got you. We're done. We're done. We're done.
That's about it. Like I said, personally, just concerned about his weight at first. Like,
Yeah.
Get used to it a little bit.
He's growing great. So you're doing good.
What do you think you need to get next?
So it needs to come back in 3 weeks. And then he comes back in 3 weeks again to get the last distemper parvo.
Y'all like give him a call or just call in? Or,
I'll get Tim to set it up for you before you leave here. You'll have it on the books, and that way our computer will remind us to call you and make sure it gets done. Yep. You're doing great. Keep doing what you're doing. Want to have to fix a little one up and help. Huh? And I don't need any help for this one. Okay? I don't need help for this one. You could think of fart lick, but you couldn't think of intervals.
Because I don't do intervals, I do fartleks.
Okay.
Dr. Smith, that's not how you do it.
Who decides how you do it?